Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how do you delete GCash transaction history. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your GCash account, whether on your app or browser, you will see that there is no ways to delete a transaction history. There's no direct ways, as it's a payment platform, and due to the financial and security reasons, like they wouldn't allow you to delete your transaction history for security purpose. So what we can do is that, so if you want to request for a deletion, so you can hit on this help center here. So go to the help center and hit on chat with Gigi here. So you can chat. The only way you can do this is by just reaching out to the GCash support team and ask them and raise a request on why do you want to delete these. If you have a genuine reason for it, at least, even though if they can't really completely permanently delete it, at least they can do a partial deletion if you have a valid request. So this, as there is no direct ways to delete this, so this is the workaround we have at this point. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.